I've been sneezing so much lately. My allergy. I think if there was a world record counter, but I would be on the top for how much a sneeze of one of the person with the world record sneezes. I think so. Hopefully that was my last sneeze of the night. Now if I sneeze again, I know someone's gonna clip it and be like, oh, she said I don't sneeze anymore. And then it's gonna cut to me sneezing.
12 seconds later.
Are you sure?